Intro.
Pinakailit, baba na.
Palakpakan naman tayo dyan para sa mga challengers natin. Kasabayan nila. 1, 2, 3. When times and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Pasa! 1, 2, 3, go! Be strong. Hold on. For my love will lead you on through the wildest time, through the rain, through the storm. Kaya guys, when rain turns back on you, and those darkness, you know what to do. I'll be on your side to hold you. My love will see you through. Pasa, ma'am!
When tears are in your eyes and feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be bahala na kayo to understand. By stumble and fall, a shoulder to lean on. All you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand.
Come on, everyone! When the road
The roses seem so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just one part of beating your heart for my love.
Sabay-sabay mo! Come on! 1, 2, 3, go! My love will see you when you reach for the stars, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill. My love will always be with you in everything you do. In everything.
In every walk you take, don't be afraid to follow your dreams.
Come on!
For my love will see you through.
Matapakan tayo dyan. Sabi ko sa iyo, kailangan perfect. Now, my challenge is, yung last note natin, pwedeng hindi yun yung yung pitch. Ang ating last spot. This is karaoke challenge. Go! Go!
For my love will see you through.
Alright, with feelings. For number 1. Mababa yung boses niya. Pero dito natin si Arvin. Arvin, challenge! I know tayo ha, high pitch. Ready and go!
Your dreams, oh my love, will see you through.
1. Tomorrow dreams for my love. We'll see you through. Mataray! Bigas talaga, no? Wow, parang mga pang-asap na to, Eto na. Paano pa kami na to tayo for our contender number 3? Eto tayo na sa female category na tayo. Ma'am, candidate number 4. So, ang pitch niya ay... Oh man! Pahanap ka. Ready? Hindi pwede. Kailangan solo-solo tayo. Ready? And go!
Follow your dreams for my love. We'll see you through.
Grabe yun. Para maya-maya lang po, mabagsak na po ang ulan. Panapakan mo tayo for contender number 4. Ay, eto na po ka, maraming fans ang Ma'am Aileen. Eto na.
Follow your dreams for my love. We'll see you through.
Ang safe naman doon. Very safe yun, Inang. Oo. Ay, eto na yung ating panapakan for Ma'am Aileen. Eto naman yung ating contender number 6. Ready and go!
For my love, we'll see you.
Bigla na pwede. Oy, palapakan niyo naman sila. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi naman po kailangan talagang pagalingan dito. But definitely, each of you will receive cash prize